Frag family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a new fragrance that I've been testing and trying, and actually it's not really new to my nose, okay? I have tested this before, and we'll talk more about it as we go through this review. And I'm going to be talking about the House of BŌ Rosario, okay? So again, this is not new to my nose, but let's get into it. You all know how we do. Let's get into versatility. So I received this tester from Scentbird. So versatility, is this fragrance versatile? Yes. I think this fragrance is very versatile. I feel like you can use or wear this in all seasons. So it definitely has seasonality to it. I really feel like this is truly a goer. Now the occasion, where would I wear this? I mean, really anywhere. Day brunch. I feel like this is also an easy reach, especially during the spring and summer. This is very pleasant. I feel like a lot of compliments would be coming. You can do pretty girl in pink, tea party. If you have a outside wedding event that you're going to, or just a ballroom event, anything. I feel like this is very versatile. Church. This is really a goer type of fragrance, and yeah, so occasion, you choose. Now packaging. Oh my goodness, I love the House of BŌ packaging. I think it's just very sleek. The stone at the top just matches to me. I've said this before. It just matches the essence of the fragrance, in my opinion. So this is pink, and so it gives you that very rose, but it's a light pink. Okay, so to me it gives you the dynamic of the rose that's in here, and yeah, so I really love the bottle. Now it's not a magnetic cap bottle, but I don't care about those things. Maybe you do, but I feel like the stone really brings it out, and it just stands out amongst the rest of just fragrance packaging in general. So pricing, this is $175 at the 40 ml bottle, the smaller of the bottle. And then if you want a larger 75 ml, you can get that for $365. Yeah, so pricing, I feel like for the fragrance, we'll get more into it. I feel like it is slightly overpriced. So I do love that they do have the smaller bottle at $175, but I would do the $175, then the $365. In my humble opinion, I feel like just for the juice and what it delivers, just a large bottle, especially in my collection, at $365, honey, unless I'm getting a discount on the discount, I think not. I think I would stick to the $175. Now, does this fragrance lean more masculine or feminine? I honestly feel this leans more feminine, on the feminine side. Now, I can't see a man wearing this, or a man that I would be attracted to wearing this, but if a man wears it, it might change my mind. I might just need to see how it fits and grooves with a man, but I don't know if I would be like, yeah, baby, come on over. Like, come on over, baby. I don't know if I would, I don't know if I would do that. But yeah, I feel like this fragrance leans more feminine, in my humble opinion. Now, this fragrance was launched in 2023, so let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, let's. Top notes, we have lemon, pomegranate, primrose, we have coriander. Middle notes, we have rose, we have peony, freesia. Base notes, we have ambergris, incense, and vetiver. Okay, so now that we've gotten into all the deets and the notes and all the things, yeah, let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. Yeah, let's get into it. Now, family, as I briefly mentioned, this fragrance is not new to my nose. I have actually had and owned a bottle of the House of BŌ Rosario. Okay, this was actually my first purchase of House of BŌ, period. I had this in my collection. Hence, had this in my collection. I tried this in store and felt in love, okay? In love with this rose scent. I felt like it was just a watery rose, but very pretty, very luxury, but a soft luxury, okay? Like not like this dynamic thing, but just it had a soft luxe to it, okay? And I really enjoyed it. I loved it, right? So it was love at first sniff, and I was like, yeah, I gotta get it. Let me order it. So I ordered it from Neiman Marcus and had it delivered. But once I got the fragrance, the actual full bottle in my collection, I don't know what it was, but the next time I tried it on my skin, it was just too green for me. I just could not get over the hump of like how green, heavy, running through the trees, forest greenery that it was. It was just grass to me. It smelled like grass and rose. So I really didn't enjoy it once I got the full bottle. And so unfortunately, I sent it back. Yeah, I did. I sent it back. And so I keep hearing about this fragrance. From time to time, this comes up. Not a lot, right? But I'm like, you know what? I see it in Scentbird. Let me put it on my queue. Let me see what this is talking about, because I wanted to try all of the House of BŌ fragrances. Let me put them in my queue. Okay. So got it, experienced it, and I was like, oh my gosh. This was the initial experience that I had and fell in love with it. It's so rose and watery and beautiful and soft luxe. Like, it was everything that I wanted it to be when I first initially tried this fragrance. But I am scared. Yo, sis is scared to get the full bottle. I would love to add this to my wish list. And what I get in the tester, I would love to get that in a full bottle. It is so pretty. But I am scared that once I get the full bottle, that greenery is just going to shine more than this beautiful rose and lemon. It's like, it's a very citrus rose. And to me, and maybe you have this, but I don't smell a lot of like watery, soft, luxury citrus roses in my collection, right? And so this is so pretty, so different, because sometimes citrus can, go put that over there. Sometimes citrus does not work with me, and you know, yo sis, it just doesn't work. But this does, and it's so pretty. And so I put it on a tester. Yes, it is so beautiful, and it's like fresh cut roses. But I love the roses and the citrus of this and the wateriness standing out than the green. I don't want the stems of the fresh cut rose to be standing out more. So your sis is scared to get a full bottle, but it is so pretty. I promise you, like, what I'm smelling is so pretty. And then that pomegranate also brings in this fruitiness that is needed, right? It's needed to like not have this go like totally rose. I mean, you can smell the rose. Like, it is a rose forward fragrance, but for it to just be rose and done, you know, not to have any depth to it. So the fruitiness of the pomegranate, I'm glad they chose that fruit, because to me, it just gives this tartness, but not too tart where it's like so sharp and unwanted, right? It is so pretty. And again, I could just call it soft luxury because I don't know what else to call it. So did I get compliments on this? Yeah. Hello. Is the moon white? Maybe that's not a good. It's the sky blue. It's the sky. I did get a lot of compliments on it, and it just was like, you smell fresh, you smell good, right? It was one of those. No one really defined it, but someone was like, you smell so fresh. Ooh, you smell really, you know, it's one of those very easy compliments, but I did get compliments, and I enjoy it. I don't know. if I should get a full bottle again, because I don't want to be disappointed. This is a coin, so it's not a soft coin. It's a hard coin in my life, okay? It costs some dollars. And so, it's definitely probably on the wish list, but maybe for someone else to purchase for me. Maybe it's down at the bottom. Maybe it's on the Christmas list. We'll see. But again, if you're looking for a soft luxury, very brunch, female, pink, pretty, rose citrus, slightly fruity fragrance, this is one to definitely check out. Get your nose on it. I would highly recommend you get your nose on it. Don't blind buy it, even though I might have mentioned some notes that you really enjoy. Would recommend that you test it, try it, see if it works on your body, and if it does, try it, but be cautious of what I said about the full bottle. Again, I loved the tester before. When I got the full bottle, I was like, no ma'am, no Pam. No Pam, no jelly. Pick somebody else to do it. Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my quick review of this House of BŌ Rosario. Okay, have you experienced this fragrance? Let me know your thoughts. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments. Please comment down below. Let's chat it up. Let me know if you have tested this. Do you have Scentbird? Maybe this is in your queue, or maybe you're interested in putting it in your queue. I think this season of spring and summer, it's definitely one to add to the queue for this season, okay? Make sure that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.